Hey, here's your daily summary, March 27th, 2024, Wednesday, March 27th, for Rogue Trader Academy. So we had an interesting day. So the U.S. market just opened up about an hour ago, and we were flat. We were just kind of in a very, very tight range for the last couple of days. The one thing I can guarantee, range will get broken. Of course, right? Up or down was anyone's guess. I've been seeing a lot of information coming out. Some people saying, "Oh, this is going to be the new support." No, we're coming back down. Honestly, I think it could go either way in the short term. Coming into the halving, I wouldn't be surprised to see it drop, 5-10%. And I wouldn't be surprised to see it get back up to close to 75, maybe bounce its head off there a couple of times. I don't expect any big breakouts or big moves pre-halving, but you never know. But the U.S. opened up, and what did we have? We had a little bit of craziness. Let's take a look at the chart. So you can see as soon as the U.S. opened, we shot up to almost 72,000, right? I was like, woohoo! Maybe we're going to head up to 75. And unfortunately, I wasn't near a computer. I was just looking at my phone because I would have started scaling into some short calls because I have some cover up there. And then boom, right back down. Went down to 68 and change, and then right back to from whence it came. And it turned out that it was some news came out. So we had not record inflows yesterday, but very high inflows. I think the highest in about 2 weeks into the ETFs. But then the news came out that I guess CoinDesk had, Coinbase had this lawsuit that they were hoping to get dismissed. But it's not being dismissed. So the feds are still going after Coinbase for some different things, acting as an exchange and that type of stuff. So we had a little bit of manic, crazy action. This is a 1 hour chart. So within an hour, we went up, and then another hour we went down. And here we are. We haven't moved a lot, but we did a little bit of trading this afternoon, not a ton, because we're just trying to pull in the intrinsic. We did bring some risk forward from the end of April to, I think, April 12th, which is nice. We get 2 more weeks, so it's going to increase the theta. It's the same amount of intrinsic value, but we can realize that value faster. We did a few other small things, some other discretionary accounts. I did sell some April 12th iron condors up in the 80s and low 60s. The short strike prices. Loving that trade right now. I don't expect us to bust, below, kind of down. Low 60s. I mean, I don't think we're going to break 60 on the downside. Anything can happen, right? It's crypto, it's trading. And I don't really think that we're going to bust above the all-time highs before the halving, which is set to be around April 15th. So steady as she goes. The synthetic money account is kicking ass. I think we're at over 700% annualized returns. We're just cooking along. So I think, it's been generally some pretty good trading. Vols are still quite elevated. So you know what? Hey, when there's high vol, it's a great time to sell. And, especially the short dated stuff decays very quickly in the last few days. And we're able to realize a lot of intrinsic value doing that. So I think we're pretty happy and steady as she goes. Let's see what happens this afternoon with ETF inflows, if that affects the market or not. Or if this news about Coinbase is going to weigh heavy. But either way, I don't expect giant moves within the next week or two, but we're always on guard in case it does.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, this is for silver members and above. If you go to Roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive Live Alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor. Head over to Roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.